Good morning, students. Welcome to EduStar Class 7 Science Video Class. Review Program Chapter 4 Heat. Students, have you all attended online test in last week in Chapter 4 Heat? I hope you all did well. Well done. Okay, students. In this video session, let's review this chapter. Before that, students, have you all completed the book back exercise? Shall we discuss the answer now? Take your textbook, page number 45. Get ready to check the answer now. Are you ready? Okay. Question 3. Question 1. The hotness of an object is determined by its temperature. Next. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a clinical thermometer. Then it will be measured by a laboratory thermometer, isn't it? Next. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Then next question. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. Next. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. It transfers heat to the other end by the process of conduction. The next question. Cloth of dark colors absorb heat better than cloth of light colors. Okay. Then shall we move to next question? Question 4. Match the following. First one. Land breeze blows during night. Sea breeze blows during day. Next. Dark colored cloth are preferred during winter. Next. Light colored cloth are preferred during summer. Then move to next question. What is this? Next. Question 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Do you know the reason? More layers of clothing keep us warm in winters as they have a lot of space between them. So, this space gets filled up with air. You know already air is a bad conductor. It does not allow the body heat to escape out. Next. Question 6. Look at the diagram. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection and by radiation. Students, have you all marked correctly? Check it now. Where conduction takes place. Transfer of heat from hot plate to pan is by conduction. See the diagram. where it is conduction takes place? Here. Next, transfer of heat within water is by convection. Can you able to see convection where it takes place? Yes, here. Next, transfer of heat from hot bodies like pan, plate, burner, etc. to the surrounding is by radiation. See the diagram where its radiation takes place. Can you able to see this? Yes. Shall we move to next question? Question 7. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer wall of houses be painted white because white color reflect heat and the houses do not heat up too much. Okay, students? Next, question 8. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be, what is the answer? Yes, option D, between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Do you know the reason? Heat gained by cold water will be equal to the lost by hot water, such that the final temperature of the mixture will be between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Understood? Next question. Question number 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will, answer is option B, not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Do you know the reason? Heat flow takes place from a hot body to a cold body. Already you know that. As both water and iron ball have the same temperature. So there is no temperature between the two for heat flow to take place. Next, question 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end, answer is, does not become cold. You know wood is a poor conductor of heat. Question 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that, answer is, copper is better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. Students, next, today homework part, question number 1 and 2. Refer your textbook. What is question 1? State similarities and difference between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Next, question 2. Give 2 examples each of conductors and insulators of heat. Students, find out answer for these questions and write neatly in your homework notebook. Understood, children? Students, next I am going to give notes now. So take your classwork notebook and start to write neatly. Okay? First you write the definition of heat. Next, temperature. Next, temperature scales. Then next, write the boiling point of water and freezing point of water in different temperature scale in any tabular column. Okay. Then write thermometer. Then types of thermometer. Then next write about clinical thermometer. 4 points are there, so write neatly. Then write about laboratory thermometer. Next, write similarities between a clinical thermometer and a laboratory thermometer. Next, write the difference between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Next, transfer of heat. Next, conduction, conductors of heat, insulators. Next, write the examples of good conductors of heat and insulators. Next, convection. Then last, radiation. Students, complete the given notes in your classwork notebook and given homework part in your homework notebook. Give neat presentation. After that, take photo clearly and send it to this email ID edustar.7@gmail.com. Okay students, see you again in next video class. Thank you.